Good morning on Christmas Day. Yeah, what day is it today? It's Christmas Day, asshole. And we're going to start Christmas Day off right with some vanilla French toast. All right, what you want to do is you want to grab 4 large eggs and crack them into a bowl. And then you want to add 1 cup of whole milk. And then you want to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the mix. Put the paddle attachment on, lock the mixer in place, and you just want to beat this mix together. Should take about 60 seconds. All right, let's move on to the next step. Okay, as you can see here, I've got some Texas toast. If you want, you can use day-old bread. It's up to you. Use whatever bread you like, but I like Texas toast. And then you just want to dip this in the batter and place this on a griddle. Okie dokie. Then you want to take your Texas toast and place it on the griddle. The griddle will take about 2-3 minutes aside. You just want to go till they're golden brown. And then literally the only thing left to do is just plate them up. And then they're getting ready for their first flip. Thanks to the magic of cooking show editing. And this is kind of what you're looking for, but I like to give each piece of French toast at least 2 flips. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 1 minute, something like that. But that's just me. All right, nothing really left to do, but let's go to plating. All right, we got our butter melting on our pieces of French toast, and now it's time to add the maple syrup. Get the real shit, get the good shit, don't get the Mrs. Buttersworth. And that's really it. So that's Christmas morning breakfast, vanilla French toast. Done. I'll see everyone at lunch.